Famous quotes that will surprise you. As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power. Only time can heal what reason cannot. I shall never be ashamed of citing a bad author if the line is good. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. They lose the day in expectation of the night, and the night in fear of the dawn. No man was ever wise by chance. What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears. If you really want to escape the things that harass you, what you're needing is not to be in a different place but to be a different person. Begin at once to live, and count each separate day as a separate life. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor. It is the power of the mind to be unconquerable. Hang on to your youthful enthusiasms, you'll be able to use them better when you're older. If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. You act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, it is because we do not dare that they are difficult. One of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and to be understood. Religion is regarded by the common people as true, by the wise as false, and by the rulers as useful. True happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality. As long as you live, keep learning how to live. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for a kindness. He who is brave is free. A man who suffers before it is necessary, suffers more than is necessary. A sword never kills anybody, it is a tool in the killer's hand. Sometimes even to live is an act of courage. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. It is quality rather than quantity that matters. The bravest sight in the world is to see a great man struggling against adversity. Death is the wish of some, the relief of many, and the end of all? Everywhere is nowhere. When a person spends all his time in foreign travel, he ends by having many acquaintances, but no friend. Life's like a play, it's not the length, but the excellence of the acting that matters. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.